This is the Andbon Dry Cabinet. A dry cabinet is a device which keeps your goods in a low humidity atmosphere. It uses a small condenser which removes moisture from the air. It can be used to store your cameras along with its lenses and other things like medicines, documents and jewelries. Keeping your electronic gadgets like cameras in the dry cabinet increases its life and protects it from after effects of moisture. This cabinet is not only limited to the storage of electronic gadgets. You can store jewelry to prevent tarnishing or store medicines to keep them from spoiling. In this video, we will show you how to use the cabinet along with the unboxing, the capacity and other uses of this cabinet. You have to unbox this device with a lot of care as it comes with a glass face. To safely unbox this device, we recommend you to follow this method. Firstly, keep the box upright, then gently lay it on one of its sides. Make sure it is not laying on its glass face. And then completely flip the box upside down. Then cut the bottom tapes of the box. And then unfold the flaps. Now gently lay it on one of its side. Again, make sure it is not the glass face. Then straighten the box till it is upright. After that, pull the cardboard box up using the two handles in the box. Then remove the plastic. Open the cabinet door and remove the padding. And in the Ziploc bag, you get the keys, the power adapter and the user manual. So now it is out of the box. Let's plug it in and start it. Now you can see that the power adapter is very small. It runs on very low power. Once we have plugged it in, the LED screen starts to show up. First, let's see the LED screen. The numbers in the red is the temperature and the numbers in the blue is the relative humidity. Next to the LED screen, there are three buttons. Let's see how the buttons work. If you press the topmost button, it turns on the LED light, and if you press it again, it turns it off, but we will keep these lights on. Next, if you press the middle button, you can see the target humidity level. Currently, it is 40%. Now, if you press and hold the topmost button, it will change the temperature units. But for this video, we will work in Fahrenheit. Now, if you press the bottommost button twice, the targeted humidity level will show up and start to blink. Then you can adjust the target humidity level with the up or down button. We will keep it at 35 and then press set. You can press the middle button to see the targeted humidity level. So that was all about the controls. Now let's see the cabinet from inside. This is the topmost shelf. It is nicely padded for 4 long lenses. And the rest of the shelves are plainly padded. Even the shelf height is adjustable. You can remove the shelf railings and move it up or down according to your desire. So that was the cabinet from inside. Once it reaches the target humidity level, we will start keeping our gadgets. On the topmost shelf, we are keeping our big lenses and some few smaller ones. In the shelf below, we will keep other lenses. Below that are cameras with some filters. And in the lowest part, we will keep our flashes. And now we are done, so we will close the cabinet and lock it. You can see that all our gadgets are in place and they look great in the dry cabinet. From outside, it might look a bit compact, but it easily took all these gears in it. Other uses of the cabinet is to store important documents, storing medicines to prevent them from spoiling, or storing jewelries to prevent them from tarnishing. Finally, you can get this Andbon cabinet in 30, 50, 80, 120, 180 and 300 liter capacity. Detailed features of this cabinet are dehumidification, which prevents your items from moisture, moth, mildew, rust, mold, fungus and oxidation. Safety and silent operation with low power consumption. This cabinet is safe, quiet and has no leakage risks and no potential fire danger. It uses lower than 8 watts of power. The dry cabinet can control the relative humidity level in the range of 25% to 60%. And finally, the dry cabinet can work automatically. That means it will pause its condenser when the target humidity level is reached, and it resumes to work when the internal humidity level rises 2% above the target humidity level. This video is made possible by Messrs. Altaf H Vali, the electronic megastore. To get all the products shown in this video, contact them on this phone number or reach them on Instagram using this ID. They have the complete range of electronic gadgets, cameras and camera accessories. Thank you for watching this video by CrossBeatz. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This is our Instagram and our website. Reach us through either of those for detailed setup consultancy or for our other services, which are photography classes, photo tours, photography and videography.